is it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you follow me slowly, yeah. Cause I've been thinking lately, if I take
Welcome! Good morning, guys. This is anong day? 4. Day 4. We're going to North. Yes, we have a car. Hey, local. Bella, is Ninang Mel giving? Ay! Pag bumaba ka dito, lagot ka sa akin.
I said this!
Well, you say it. You say it to them. Is Ninang Mel giving?
Yes!
Ninang Mel is?
Giving!
Hi, good morning po. So, we're going to the north of Siargao to surf. So, see you guys later. Ang daming energy. Nagnat yung isa. Kakaswimming kasi nung anak paggabi. Siya yung nahamugan. Lagay nyo. Lagay nyo sa left. Ay, sa right. Right for single people. Ito. So, nag-rent kami ng car and it's a Ranger. Si Aya mag-drive. Ang may sakit pa. We are now here at Magpupungko. I'm not gonna swim. Alam daw sila. The driver as a passenger princess. Siya ka Bella. Yung alegria? Oh, ang itim! We are now, kanina pang we are now, pero nasa Alegria na kami, nagpipicture lang kami. We're taking a pic. Dip nila. Go Bella, dance! Atit, dararata, dating mag-ayawan. Tulog sisipunin. So, siya na yung nagda-drive and lahat kami nagpipray. So, next stop is Pasicon Beach as per kuya na nauna sa amin. Paalis na sila. Tayo na, may energy na siya. Maganda daw. It's giving. Guys, it's giving.
why is it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you follow me slowly, yeah. Cause I've been thinking lately, if I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. Yeah. Maybe we're too intoxicated, trying to force open conversation. I'm saying I'm fine, we both know I'm wrong. With you in that dress, girl, there ain't no tonight.
Okay, so nakauwi na kami kanina pa galing the north. Galing sa north. Tapos ngayon, lalabas na naman kami. Labag to sa loob ko talaga. Hindi nakita. Alam nyo kung bakit. Pupunta namin yung friends ko.
Lalaki.
Hala, i-shoutout mong guys. Na taga Cebu.
Shoutout kay babe.
Tapos, magkakape daw kami. Si Tin magdadrive. So magdadasal na lang muna ako. Kahit napakalapit lang nun. Siya pa namimilit sa akin. Sabi ko, kaya niya na yan. Ikot ko. Ito yung kotse namin. Tapos, dapat papunta kami doon. So magmamaneobra pa siya. Good luck talaga. Papadasal ka na lang talaga. Alam niyo ba guys, hindi siya pinag-drive sa Manila sa Marikina ng mag-isa ng parents na. Tapos ngayon, ang lakas ng loob niya.
Where to go? Where do you wanna go?
Talaga naman.
Party?
Tingnan mo, yung may kumunoy dyan. Ay, naantok na si Self. Bumibili pa ng ice cream si Tim. Good morning. Today is day 5 and the color is not coloring enough. So, magsusutba lagon kami today.
And maasim liver and coconut view deck.
Really? Ngayon yung coconut view deck? Oh my God. Okay.
And last night.
Okay, bye-bye! Now here's a view deck. Puta, mapapatid na naman. Ay! Ay! Wala mo, be? Ay!
Isa pa.
Ay! 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 Machi!
Hey, Machi!
It's like, ang sakit ng ice ko para bang... So, this is the view deck and medyo madaming may human drone. Ayun na, umikot-ikot sila. Oh, human drone.
Gaganda.
Oo, agad. Ganda. William Siargao! Takpan, Bella! Bella, takip! Eh, may papa. Eh! It's like a dance step. Eh! Kuya, di ka papagod. Hey! We're here. How pretty. So we are here in, what's this beach, be? Ha? Kauhagan Beach. And ganito ang atake natin dahil napakainit at ang itim na ng noo ko. Walang tao dito. Ay, oo. Very happy. We are at the second stop.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon! Welcome to Sugbalagun, Siargao!
I'm wondering when I'll get a chance with you. Baby, stayed up all night thinking of things to do. Maybe we won't get bored of each other. You got some space for another. Every day, every second, every minute, you live rent free in my head, yeah. Maybe I'm just what you need, yeah, need. If we were together, I'll be the best thing you ever. Take you to dinner, pay for it, buy you some flowers. You deserve it, treat you better than anyone can. I'll be the gentle lady to your gentleman. I cook a feast in the kitchen, a woman on a mission, or whatever you want. We can switch it up, avant-garde. I'll treat you better than anyone can. I'll be the gentle lady to your gentleman. You got me hooked on a feeling, got my attention now. GG, what we be meaning to each other now. Take a little longer to make your
So, tatalon
decision.
sila si Masi. Talagang inaano mo nasa video. Visit ka.
Sister!
Visit.
Bawal bang tawagin sister?
Bawal.
Like a little, like a lot. I think I'm into you. You and me all confused, yeah. You got me feeling. If we were together, I'll be the best thing you ever. Take you to dinner before.
Alis na naman kami. Hindi na natapos tong alis na to. Punta kami sa SBC, Siargao Beach Club. Ay. Para ako gumigewang pas. Good morning. Wala akong masabi sa vlog. Ang puti lumulutang pa. Medyo drunk lang kami. Medyo lang. Akala ko walang kwenta party dito sa Ayaw. Medyo pala masaya. On the Siargao Cursors reel. Ayan na.
Siargao Cursors curse.
Ayan na siya.
I don't wanna go home. So, yan yung grupo. Ang noodles.
Kaninong motor yan?
Pero po, kapag ma-vlog.
Bali, 4 po.
Talaga.
Hi, Bella. Good morning. So, on my way back. Hey guys. The food is here. Nice view.
The sun is coming through. Oh, you fill my lungs.
Hanaway Beach. Here at Hanaway Beach. The very darkness is darkened. Say hi to my vlog. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tapos na kami mag-shower and everything. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa Goody to party because ang songs daw ngayon ay hip-hop and TikTok and walang house of music today. Not to bash, but
House music lang.
house music. Okay, walang off. Sorry. I'm not perfect tonight. Guys, can you say hi?
Hi!
Hi to my vlog. Hello.
May nakita guys, kainin mo.
Ay, magva-vlog pala. Kaya pala. Guys, tapos na kami mag-party.
Doing cardio? Zumba?
So, sumayaw lang kami sa El Lobo. Sa El Lobo na kami uminom. Kasi sa happiness, walang happiness sa amin. Tapos, bukas, free day pa din. Hindi namin alam. Para magsi-secret fish tayo, diba?
Okay, ng hapon. For the suns.
Yeah. So, today, maliligo na naman kami.
Naliligo. Ilang pangatlong ligo na ngayon.
Ako din. Naligo ako ng mga 3. Naligo ulit ako ng 6. Maliligo na naman ako ng 12. Sino ka dyan? Hey guys, good morning. So, this is our 7th day here in Siargao. And this is still a free day. Naman mo yung way palabas. Kasi pupunta ako sa team. Magdalan siya ng motor dahil magpa-practice siya. So, sasamahan ko siya. Sila Nika ay... Nika 18 and Bala ay nagpunta sa Cloud9 para mag-chill and nag-surf si Lisa. So, panoorin niyo na lang. paano sumimplang si Tim. So, first problem niya, hindi niya alam paano isa-start.
Naka-on na siya, pero hindi siya kumaalam. Kasi hindi naman naka-on na siya. Hindi naman na siya napipihit. Ate, paano ba i-start ko?
Tuturuan pa siya. Sige na.
Pihit mo yung brake. Then start mo. Okay, po. Unang hawakan. Ito, ang gasolinador. Kailangan kontrolado mo kasi kung mapihit mo siya, lilipad ka. Ito na po.
Tutorial sa
Wala kang ano? Hey, give me idea naman ako, ate. Mountain ha! For vacation!
You're here for vacation. Ate, pwede refund pag hindi niya daw na brum-brum. Hey! So, paalis kami. Pupunta kami Siargao Corner Cafe. Doon kami kakain ni Tin for brunch. Magbumotor siya, magte-trike ako. So, I ordered mixed berries and Vietnamese coffee kay Tin. Eh, as a social climber, go.
Taste it. Ang sarap.
Oh, eh.
Ay, go, masarap. Promise, take a look.
Okay. Let's
So-
see, let's see.
So flavorful.
Ay, oo, te. Ang
It's
tapang.
giving.
Ang tapang niya.
Pero ang
It's
sarap.
giving.
Kaya kaming ipaglaban.
Ay, si Anto. May feeling naman ikaw ipaglaban ah. The food here. Ito na yung honey lemon chicken. So, on our way to Secret Beach. Right, baby. We're at the Secret Beach na. And papasok na kami.
Beach ni sister.
So,
I'm a motorist.
So, we will go inside. Ay, oo eh. Wala po.
Diretso na po ma'am, bawal kasi sa
Yan na naman siya. This is the Secret Beach. It's so peaceful, calming, and serene. Wow.
Feel the air that I'm breathing, can't explain.
Tutorial.
Magkare-diretso. Asay pa mo.
Ay, gano'n niya. Wow, ang galing ni Bella. Guys, update na. We are going to Petongnan Bridge again. Yeah.
say hi to the vlog.
Yes, yes. Lokal na kami dito sa Siargao. Here at Shaka.
Kaya na, kaya na.
Pabalian sila ng boto para magkaas. Ayan, sige, ipilit natin guys. Go, baling-bali. La, feeling. Ayun na naman yung post finish at the gym. So, we're going to have a brunch by yeah, breakfast, lunch at Sunday's Cafe. Yun lang po, see you. So, this is what Villa Cali looks like. Ay! Opo, alis na kami dito sa Villa Cali. Pupunta kami sa Secret Beach at nakasecure kami ng motorcycle. Na ang driver ay Spanish. Freebie! Winner! Happy na naman siya. Siya kasi sasakay doon. Ayan. Ayan ang aming magdadrive. Oo. Ngayon na. Hanggang sa sala, lagi-lagi. Hi guys, so tonight is our last night here in Siargao. Mag-dinner lang kami sa Las Palmas. Outfit check. Hey, look at here. Wow. Here at Las Palmas. So we're waiting for a tent. Wow, you're so pretty. Oh my God, who's your mother? Hey. Yeah. Si Kuya. Nagtatawa. Here inside of Las Palmas. Here's the menu. Seafood chop.
Malala. Last day na.
This is our food. Last stroll in Siargao. Guys, this is our last.
This is it.
Our last hour in Siargao. We're going home now. Now talaga.
But we're going back next year for
Si Decision. Ay, si Decision. Naka-empake na kami. Dito namin siya sinurprise yung cake. Andito pa din yung cake niya. So, ayan na. Checking the everything. Is it clear? Is there no residue? Residue.
There's no one that I would rather be with, 'cause there's no one else.
Hello, Cebu again.
Hello mga Cebuano. Down Cebu.
Dami sinabi. Kainang yan.
Like you, I can't do without you. Yeah, I'm confessing to the moon. Not knowing you is bad enough, but I can't still figure it out. Yeah. Oh, knowing, juxtaposing, taxpayer, but I'm begging. Said I wouldn't listen. Said I wouldn't listen. Hey, hey, I can keep it seasonal. Wouldn't know till we both make it though.
Wala kompartamento.
Nakaupo na kami. Wala, dyan sa kami nakaupo. May responsibilidad pa kami sa amin pag binigay pa tayo kay Luisa. Talaga na.
Sorry na lang sa mga
So guys, ayan na. Kaming tatlo talaga yung binigay ng responsibilidad sa buhay. Ay, nagpapakit pa. Ay, hindi namin to kaya, guys.
Have a safe flight.
Hey guys, touchdown here in
Hello,
Manila.
Manileños. We're back.
Ayan na naman, ang dami na namang. So, andito na kami and
See you, Siargao, next year. See you next year. Kayo din, guys. See you next year.
There's no one